Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Place 2 cups granulated sugar and 2/3 cup water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Start on low heat and stir only until the sugar fully dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring to reduce crystallization risk. Use a wet pastry brush to wash down any sugar crystals clinging to the pan sides. Increase heat to medium-high and clip a candy thermometer to the pan. Do not let the boil foam over. Keep children away and wear oven mitts. Sugar syrup reaches dangerous temperatures quickly. With the thermometer attached, bring the syrup to a rolling boil without stirring. Agitation promotes crystallization. Watch carefully as the temperature rises. For hard, crunchy lollipops, heat to 300 degrees F to 310 degrees F, the hard crack stage. When the thermometer reads 300 degrees F, remove the pan from heat and let the large bubbles subside for about 5 to 10 seconds. If you prefer slightly softer candy, stop at 295 degrees F. Avoid splashes. Boiling sugar causes severe burns. Prepare molds and sticks while the syrup. After removing the pan from heat and letting bubbles subside about 10 to 15 seconds, carefully add 1/4 teaspoon of candy flavor oil or 3 to 4 drops of extract and a few drops of food coloring if desired. Stir gently once, then pour slowly into silicone molds or onto a greased silicone mat in 1:1. 5-inch rounds. Immediately insert wooden sticks, leaving 1/2-inch exposed. Let the lollipops cool and harden at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes before handling. Clean the pan by soaking with hot water to dissolve hardened syrup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.